Hi guys, Lens here. In this video I am going to show you how to put on the power share option on your Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, S24 Ultra. So actually you can charge another device using your phone. You want to go into settings, you want to go to battery, right? Wireless power sharing, and then you can enable the settings right here. It actually demonstrates how it is done. You can also charge watch, you can charge another phone, you can also charge your Samsung Galaxy wireless headphone as well, or Airpods. You can definitely charge to any devices once it's IQ compatible, which means it supports wireless charging. You can use PowerShare from your Samsung Galaxy S24 or Ultra. Let me see if I can adjust the settings. Also, if you look the battery limit, you can adjust the battery limit. The lowest is 30%, but you can set the battery limit if you do not want to discharge your phone beyond certain limit. So that's a very vital info here. What you want to do, you want to put the phone down, and as you can see, the device is charging, and that's how you do the power share charging option. And so I hope that this video was helpful. If you're new to my YouTube channel, do like, share and subscribe.